Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about me making a very bad and ugly attempt at recreating a wave painting by one of my favorite landscape artists, Emily Mackey. I will link her social media accounts in the description. She's pretty good with oil and acrylics, and her most painted subjects are clouds and waves. This is my first attempt at painting waves. I picked this piece of hers to study because this has a very limited palette. So now that we have mapped out all the basic shapes of the waves, I'm proceeding with the midtones. In order to give it more depth, we have mixed a bit of black with Prussian blue. I seriously don't have any idea what I'm doing. But actually she has a video of this painting on her channel, so go check that out. It's very informative. But obviously we are not doing a good job here. Oh, titanium white. I love titanium white so much. It gives you instant contrast to your paintings. But don't go overboard with it. It can totally ruin it. Working a little bit on the details. And then finally, like the true glam girl that I am, I'm going in with the final highlights. Is it me, or do you guys do feel really professional when you add those final highlights, the whites of white? Or is it just a desperate attempt to get over with the painting? I don't know. Probably the later with me. So the masking tapes are coming off to reveal whatever that is. But definitely guys, check her channel out. So hopefully next time I'll meet you with a more tolerable painting video. So until then, drink lots of water because it's summer, well, at least in India. And be nice to everyone, be cool. Bye.